Welcome to KT's Techno Teach. In this video, let us see the recent AI application for video making. It is an easy tool that will be useful for preparing e-content and presentations. Let's see the demo.
Hi, now let's see the demo. First you go to Google and type AUGIE AI and you can find AUGIE X Labs AI video editing and you can click over here. So after clicking on this, you can get a home page, okay? So where you can get some details about this AUGIE AI, right? And you can click sign up. So it will take to the next page. So where it will ask some details, okay? So instead of Gmail ID, you can click sign up here and it will ask some details, ID, password, confirm password and some terms of service. So you have to enable this and you have to click create account. Okay, so the account will be created. So they will be sending email. Okay, by clicking on this verification of that mail, you can create an account. Once you create account, you can log in with your credentials and you can click login. So you can get a page like this. So I have already created some videos. Okay, just click create AI and you can get three options. If you have audio or video, if you want to need to pair it with some other visuals, so you can start with here. Otherwise you can have some script, so you can change that script into a video. And suppose if you don't have any script or video visuals, okay, just if you have an idea, just give a topic and it will create a video. So for that purpose you can click these options and click let's go options and you can get details like this. Okay, so the objective of this video, the goal of the video is to increase brand awareness. So there are many options, so based on your need you can also select this. So educate or from the audience, or improve search engine rankings, or promote an upcoming events or webinar. That purpose also you can create, or promotion of webinar or any kind of advertisement you can also select. So based on the need you can select this. Okay, so I can select this educate option and you can also select the target audience. Okay, so you can select all the age group. Okay, so or if you want to select any specific age group, you can also select this one. And you can also select the location of the audience. Okay, I can select anywhere. The tone is neutral, so you can also change the tone based on the expression. If suppose if you want to add a storytelling or conversation, okay, you can also change that tone of that voice. Okay, so I can select neutral and here you have to give a topic. Okay, so whatever the topic you can give it here. Okay, for more purpose I am giving artificial intelligence in education and you can also give us some descriptive words for prompting. Okay, so I want to get a 2 minutes video, so I can give this kind of prompt. So based on this AI will select the timing. Okay, the next step you can get to this option. Okay, so here the AI has generated a script. Okay, so you can read the script, or if you want to change the script you can click here, so you can edit and you can change the script. Okay, if it is okay you can select a voice, or you can also record your voice also. Okay, so male and female voices are here, so you can just click any voice and you can go for a preview your script. Yes, so you can go for a preview, so you can hear that voice. If it is okay you can just click sounds good and you can get a next option. Suppose if you want to prepare for mobile view or laptop view, so you can also change this option. Okay, landscape and portrait, so I can select portrait option and click next and you can get a dialog box like this. So here it asks, auto suggest images and clips for my video. So AI will suggest some images, clips for your video. Okay, suppose if you have any other images or clippings on your own, you can also select this. Okay, so better you can enable these options, so AI will create images. And there are many options, so now you can click over here, you can get a preview of your video, or if you don't want any video you can insert some image, or you can also insert some animated GIF file also. Okay, so I can select this video clip and I can click next options. This is the last stage. We have given a topic only, so the AI has generated a script for my topic and I can select the voice and I have selected orientation and appearance. Lastly you can select this enable option and click create video. That's it. So the AI will create a video. So within 1 or 2 minutes you can get a video. The main thing is the video does not contain the watermark. Okay, without watermark you can get a beautiful animated video. Okay, so in free version also you can select this kind of video. So once it is downloaded, you can click here, you can get a video like this. Suppose if you don't want any visuals for your video, you can also change that visuals by clicking on this edit options, and you can get this option. Okay, so it will take to editing video purpose, and here you can edit the video by scene by scene. AI will create a video. So after that, if you don't want to any visuals in that video, you can go for this edit options. Otherwise, you can just straightly use that downloaded videos. So it will be a beautiful video. It is a very good AI tool. So you can give a prompt and a title. So you will get a script, visuals, and a voiceover. So you can get a beautiful video. So you can make it for your teaching learning process and e-content preparation. Definitely this video might useful for your teaching purpose. We will meet in another interesting AI application. Thank you so much.
In a world that's constantly evolving, education stays at the forefront of change. Today, we explore the transformative role of artificial intelligence in education. It's like having a personal mentor, guiding students through a journey of individualized learning experiences. AI enhances our classrooms, offering immersive simulations and personalized curriculums that cater to each learner's unique needs. It revolutionizes the way we teach, making education accessible to all, breaking down barriers and embracing diversity. With AI, the possibilities are endless. It empowers educators with intelligent tools, making their jobs more efficient and effective. So let's embark on this educational revolution together as we unleash the power of artificial intelligence.